You what?
Kind of think I feel like this a lot more.
You feel like it a lot?
A lot.
Feel like what?
Yes.
Like what?
A lot more.
You want to feel like this a lot more?
Yeah.
It's kind of fun, huh? What do you feel like?
I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing.
Do you feel pretty?
Those girls are looking at me like I was.
You were feeling pretty.
They were looking at me like, I said, hey, pretty lady. And they started laughing. They're hot. Teresa's hot.
The dark-skinned one?
No.
Which one? The blonde?
Tall one. Brady's aunt.
I don't know who she is.
Hot MILF.
Dark hair? Or blonde? The lady, Teresa?
Teresa.
Oh, yeah, she is a MILF.
No.
No. Yeah, she is.
Ooh. Hello, pretty lady. Oh,
I can't kiss you. It's against the rules.
you look like some yuppie girl.
What?
Some yuppie girl that can't take care of me.
I'm not a yuppie girl. You wanna go home?
No.
You wanna stay here?
I don't want to drive.
I am
You
driving.
drive.
No.
I don't want this guy.
You what? What are you doing?
Hot mouth.
You have cotton mouth? What are you doing? Did you get some text messages? Hmm?